Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Better get to work. Tree cutting nets me about 60,000 yen a month. And that kidney I just sold was, 1.2 mil. My right eye was 300,000. Sold one of my nuts, too. How much did they go for again? Not even 100K, I think. So, as of today, I owe over 38 million yen. What, Pochita? You ready to kill something? Well, that makes two of us. Most devils ain't what you'd call good, but a dead one's good for about 300 thou. Hunting devils is easily the best way to make some cash. Yeah, this thing's gotta be the tomato devil, sir. Burn the seeds or it'll use them to come back for round 2.
Ah, excellent work, Denji. Someone on the black market is bound to pay a hefty sum for this fresh corpse. How's 400,000 sound to you?
Sounds awesome!
That's before subtracting your debt payment and interest, though, which whittles it down to 170,000. Then there's the finder's fee, admin fee, management costs, and so on.
Just 70K left for me. I definitely gotta use this cut to pay the water bill. And then there are the debts I still owe to other people. Funny how that works. We're already down to 1,800 yen, Pochita. There's nothing to eat back at our place, which means we have to make this 1,800 yen last the rest of the month. For dinner tonight, let's go full-on carbivore and split a slice of bread, okay?
I really don't understand why you hire a punk like that to take out devils.
It's to ensure he pays off the mountain of debt he owes us. Though his worthless dead dad accrued it, Denji's the one stuck with the bill.
Is a broke-ass kid and his creepy little pet honestly the best fit for this sort of job?
Authentic devil hunters wouldn't do what Denji does. Dealing the carcasses of their kills to the Yakuza is too scandalous for them. But not him. Denji's biggest perk is how obedient he is.
Hey, Fido. I'll give you 100 yen if you swallow the cigarette. Huh?
Whoa, you will? Alrighty, down the hatch this sucker goes.
We'll be in touch. Keep in mind your pig slop if you try to skip town.
Now we're set for another 3 days. Guess what I found out recently? It's considered normal to eat your bread with jam on it. Too bad normal's a pipe dream for folks down on their luck like us, huh? Bet that I'll bite the big one before I ever pay off this debt. Probably won't kick it with a girl before I kick the bucket either. My rinky-dink shack doesn't exactly scream romance. No dough to go on dates. If dreams do come true, then before I croak, I want to be with a girl.
That cowardly bastard strung himself up before paying this month's installment. Look, kid, I don't care if you beg or whore yourself out. I want 700,000 yen by tomorrow. Otherwise, we chop you up and sell the bits. Got it?
A chainsaw? It's a devil. Hurry up and do it if you're gonna kill me. I'm dead either way. You're hurt. Death's coming for both of us, huh?